Hi guys, Lucas from Lucas Cars, and today we're on a look at my budget racing simulator setup. We're going to be covering the cost of the whole thing, the build quality, and basically how it performs in this whole video. So let's get straight to it. Taking a look at the cockpit now, it is a GT Omega Art cockpit. It costs about £200 off the website. I think some other places might sell it, but that's from the official people. Comes basically with everything that you see, like in terms of the frame sections of it. The steering wheel's obviously separate, this is separate, the seat's separate as well. They do sell seats on the website, which if you like their seats then you can get them, but I got an eBay bucket seat basically, brand new, cost me £180, called BB Classics or something like that. Surprisingly quite good. I was a bit sort of not too sure if it's going to be a decent seat or not, but I was like, it looks cool, let's get it. It's not going on an actual car or anything, it's just in my bedroom, so yeah, it's actually quite comfortable surprisingly. I probably wouldn't put it in a car, but for this use it is more than good enough really, and it looks pretty proper. The steering wheel that we've got, and the obviously pedals and gear stick, is the Logitech G29 setup. The gear stick comes separate, which is like a £60 add-on. The wheels, they sort of vary in price, around about £200-ish, sometimes a little bit more, sometimes less, depends on the sales. But I've had these steering wheels for I think like 3 or 4 years now, and they've been really good. I've had one of them break and then just got another one replaced. The Logitech sort of team are quite good at sort of customer service as such. This is me basically sat in the cockpit now. As you can see, it's the right sort of positions and everything for basically driving. Everything is adjustable as well. You can change the seat height up and down, back and forth. This can go up and down, back and forth as well, so you can basically sort of fine tune it to what basically how you want it really, which is great. Let's get into some driving footage so you can just sort of see how sort of sturdy it is really, because when you're looking at cockpits you want to know how sort of sturdy it is. You don't want the wheel moving and things like that, so let's get to that. I think the best way to put this gaming setup for its pace is to do some drifting, because obviously drifting is quite sort of vigorous on these sort of wheels, so it'd be the most stress that you can basically put on it in terms of shaking it, and we'll see how the stand sort of holds up. So guys, just to summarise this video, so budget racing simulator setup, it's really easy to build. I don't think I covered that earlier, but it's basically just like a flat pack build. You get a little instruction manual just how to put it together, but it's pretty self-explanatory to be fair. Really good wheel for the price, same with the gear shifter, it's not too bad. There's different wheels you can put on here, but you have to sort of like retrofit it, which I don't think is too tricky either, which I could do a video on in the future. Bucket seats, decent for the price as well, so all in all for like not a lot of money really, it's sort of a good way just to get into sim racing really. Hopefully you have enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more videos like this, please let me know in the comment section below. Till next time guys, see ya.